Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to know about the newly launched facelifted Mercedes AMG GLE 63S and Mercedes AMG GLS 63. So if you want to know between which AMG SUV is faster, which one is more luxurious, which one is more practical and which AMG SUV is worth buying in 2026, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First is Mercedes AMG GLE 63S. Engine and performance are as follows. 4.0 liter twin turbo V8 new M177 EVO engine with flat plane crank, 48V mild hybrid tech, 603 HP total. AMG performance 4MATIC plus AWD, 9-speed AMG automatic transmission, 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.9 seconds. Now talking about exterior design, the GLE 63S gets AMG Panamericana grille, sharp LED headlamps, AMG sporty bumper, quad exhaust setup, up to 22-inch AMG alloy wheel. Inside the cabin, Mercedes have given premium Nappa leather seats, AMG steering wheel, ambient light, panoramic sunroof, dual screen infotainment setup, Burmester sound system, ventilated and massage seats. Now talking about the space and practicality, the GLE 63S is mainly focused on driving experience. So you get 5-seater layout, good rear seat comfort, decent boot space, easier city driving and parking. Now the ride and handling. The GLE 63S gets AMG adaptive air suspension, sports plus driving modes, active roll stabilization, so handling is extremely sharp. This AMG feels more like a sports sedan. And its expected ex-showroom price is rupees 2.23 crore to 2.25 crore in India. Now second is Mercedes AMG GLS 63. Guys, this SUV is basically a luxury palace with supercar performance. Now talking about its engine and performance, then GLS 63 also gets 4.0 liter twin turbo V8, new M177 EVO engine, 48V mild hybrid system, 603 HP total, AMG 4MATIC plus AWD, 9-speed AMG automatic gearbox and 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.2 seconds. Now talking about the exterior, the GLS 63 gets larger AMG grille, massive body dimensions, quad exhaust setup, up to 23-inch AMG alloy wheels. The road presence looks absolutely dominating. Now inside the GLS 63, luxury level goes even higher. You get premium Nappa leather upholstery, larger luxury focused cabin, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof, Burmester premium audio, rear luxury seating, ventilated and massage seats. Now the space and practicality. This is where GLS becomes superior. The GLS 63 offers 7-seater layout with third row, huge second row space, massive boot space, better long distance comfort. Now the ride quality. The GLS suspension setup is turned more toward comfort. You get adaptive air suspension, smooth highway ride, excellent cabin insulation. Compared to GLE, the GLS feels more luxurious and softer. And its ex-showroom price is expected to be rupees 2.5 to 3 crore in India. So guys, which AMG SUV would you choose? The sporty GLE 63S or the ultra luxurious GLS 63? Comment below and let me know. And if you like this detailed comparison, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more luxury car content. See you in the next video.